If you've ever experienced leakage when you cough or sneeze or laugh, or a feeling of pressure, heaviness in the pelvis, Kegel exercises are one of the most commonly recommended exercises to remedy this. But trying to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles without resistance and just doing Kegels alone is a bit like trying to strengthen your arm without ever picking up a weight. This is the Intimate Rose Kegel exercise system. It's designed with 6 progressively increasing weights to help provide some resistance to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. This exercise system is designed for anyone experiencing stress urinary incontinence, pelvic organ prolapse, pelvic floor muscle weakness after surgery or pregnancy and delivery. And for clinicians, this is clinician designed and it makes it easy for your patients to know when to progress and to make progress. The pelvic floor muscles are muscles just like everywhere else. They get stronger when they're challenged. And doing Kegel exercises alone have a ceiling. It's important to add resistance to help strengthen the pelvic floor muscles and to reach your potential. The Intimate Rose Kegel exercise system comes in 6 progressively heavier weights. White is the lightest, and as the color gets darker, the weight gets heavier. So you simply start where you are and where you're able to sustain, and then as you get stronger, you progress to the next color. They also come with detailed instructions in a bag at the bottom of the box, as well as guides online, and they are FDA cleared and made of body-safe, non-porous silicone. So it's the safest and most effective treatment system available. You can find the weights at intimaterose.com, and we'll link that here in this video description. And for a detailed guide on how to use the Intimate Rose Kegel exercise system, be sure to check out the next video here on the channel.